JUNING Sewing Kit, 130-piece sewing supplies kit with case included. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this exact same sewing kit for yourself, make sure to check out the links below this video. So I got this sewing kit for my wife because she couldn't find her old sewing kit, and so far I'm impressed with the quality of this kit. For the price point, you're really getting a good deal here. I ordered mine here in Canada, so the size was the B-130, which has 130 pieces in it. So it has everything you really need in a sewing kit. It has over 90 pieces of premium sewing supplies, which is including 24 colors of spool, 30 high quality assorted needles, powerful stainless steel scissors, tape, and beautiful buttons as well. The sewing kit contains a selection of 24 colors of thread, and it's great for sewing emergencies, for home or travel sewing, for kids to use as well. It has a thimble in it as well. It all comes in a light and portable case as well. The hard case measures 20 centimeters long by 14 centimeters wide when fully zipped up. Also, it has a pocket on the side and a loop handle for easy carrying. It really has everything you need all in one spot. I would give this sewing kit 4.8 out of 5 stars for beginners, a 4.6 out of 5 stars for traveling, and for value for your money, I'll give it a 4.6 stars out of 5 stars. Overall, it's a great quality sewing kit, and if you want to get it at a great discounted price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it the best possible price.